Today I'm testing out Yonanas ice cream maker. A couple hours before I started, I froze one banana with a tablespoon of honey in a Ziploc bag. Just cut it up in pieces because I thought it will freeze faster. I think it did. Now I got this machine about 2 years ago, but I moved and it was in storage. Right now on Amazon it's about $50. I'll put a link down below. Super easy to assemble. It's basically just these two pieces that you need to take out every time you use it, because there will be some remaining ice creams inside, and pretty easy to maneuver. It is a little crooked, but it's in all the way in. It just looks a little tilted to the side. I don't know if anyone has the same thing, but it's okay. So today I'm making banana, what is that fruit? The orange one. Mango and blueberry. So Yonanas is called because it's supposed to be banana-based ice cream, but it does not have to be banana-based. You do not need bananas in there. You can use just frozen fruit. Even if you freeze canned food, you can use that as well, but it's kind of small, narrow in size, so you do have to fill it up constantly. You can see some bananas coming out. I think my mango was a little bit too frozen and there was some pieces in it. But once the fruit started to thaw, it became easier to push through. So definitely give it a few minutes to get a little bit softer, but it still has to be frozen. And you can also mix all the fruits together, so there's the banana and the other fruits mix. I just added one by one after another. I mean, I think it doesn't really matter, because once you're done with it, it does become a little bit softer and you can just mix it by a spoon and everything will combine. But it came out so smooth. Like, you cannot tell me that this is not a store-bought sorbet. Like, if you go to Whole Foods and they have the sorbets in the freezer, this is exactly what it looks like. And the reason why I added honey, because sometimes frozen blueberries can be very sour instead of sweet, so I wanted to add some sweetness to it, and I think it worked pretty well. My bananas were like medium sweetness too, so yeah. Anyways, but the sweeter the banana, the better. But like I said, you do not have to use bananas. I think I can totally get away without the banana. It makes it creamier. And I wonder if I just now had a thought, if I freeze coconut milk in tiny ice cubes, how would that come out? So you don't have to do this. You can eat it out of a bowl or put it in a container, but I thought I was gonna be extra and make popsicles. Nightmare. These plastic popsicle molds are a nightmare, especially to get it out. It was so hard to get out of it. If you have these, ditch it and go to Home Goods or Trader Joe's, TJ Maxx, because they have silicone ones. I saw them today actually, and I said I don't need it because I have this at home, so I'm just gonna make that. I wish I had bought the silicone ones because that would probably work much better. Now I froze this overnight, and when I opened the freezer, it fell out and one broke off, so it's definitely going into the trash, but it came out so amazing. I love this machine. It's perfect for the summer. Any frozen fruit you have, or you just buy it from the store, and you can make ice cream so fast, and you can definitely get very creative with this. Or if you want to make popsicles, you can definitely make different layers colored popsicles. That would be so fun. I think this machine is amazing, and only $50, definitely worth it. I'm looking forward to making more things with it.